hinges. Use a marking pen to outline the hinge plate.
Chapter 11.
Chapter 11. Bad. Let's push.
It's the only book that needs.
I got that bumper. It's already kind of worn.
Is it?
Just like the heads.
Valve cover?
What's on it? What? I think that's just like the...
Matt, you want to explain what we're doing?
So we're gonna try and take off the radiator here.
Yeah. Try.
We're gonna try and take off the radiator here. We got our Audi guy up on ramps, and so yeah, we're gonna consult our Haynes manual here.
We drained out the
We drained
coolant.
out the rad gas.
To the petcock.
Here's my petcock. And I pulled this guy off.
Yeah, check out the caulk. You gotta touch the caulk.
Take the car. And he reads his manual here. Manual here, don't tell me shit. Oh, it tells me how to pull off the ones with the manual windows.
I like it. Tells you how to do what? Pull off the radiator if it has manual windows.
Yep.
Hi, Brendan.
You know.
This is the right turnt.
Right turns. Yeah, we can.
I want to leave with a couple laughs when we put it back together. Some laughs along the way.
This is the 12 valve. It's the faster one.
12 valves per cylinder.
Fewer valves equals lighter weight.
Equals faster car.
And the lighter weight your pistons are, the faster they're gonna move.
The less weight that's in your engine. Don't forget to add oil, because the more oil, the more power.
That's 2 V5s.
Yeah.
We have 2 V5 engines.
Glued together.
Oh my god.
5 valves of
Oh
engine.
my god, look at that.
Oh my god. That's nasty.
Oh yeah, there is coolant in that. Coolant in that.
Oh yeah.
Look at
Leaky
that.
gasket. That is bad news bears.
That is bad news, bears.
Oh wait, Matt, shine that light in there.
We're gonna have to pull these valve covers off and
Oh yeah, that's the business. Oh my
Well,
god.
luckily, you're swapping that shit. That's
Luckily, that is terrible.
But it ran a slug.
come on, you hose.
The oil's upside down now. Thank you.
Yeah, you go. Come on, bro.
What does it say? Be oiled?
By
Oh.
by Ölstand Übermax.
Oh yeah.
You know, one for the kids, so the kids can appreciate it.
This is educational.
Hey, where did you
You're labeling the hoses?
No, I'm not labeling the hoses. See these wires right here? This fan. There's a wire here and then a wire down there. And the things we do on Sunday.
It's sporty.
It's sporty. It's got no suspension.
You should pour out the 1.8.
Make it a 5 liter.
The kit, the 2-liter kit is like $2,000 for just the crank and the rods.
Wait, why not get? I believe it's a B5, the 2-liter turbo.
That's like a completely different car.
So doesn't it match up?
No,
Not at all. Oh.
that was halfway through the B6, B6.5.
Oh. Okay, how do we do this? If the vehicle is equipped with air conditioning,
That's funny.
disconnect the retaining clamps for the air conditioning lines, remove the condenser mounting bolts and separate the condenser from the radiator without disconnecting the air conditioning lines. Well, we already did that because you cut it, because Jackson.
That engine is great.
Pull the condenser forward, detach the radiator mounting clips. See illustration. Radiator mounting clips. Yeah, dude, it's the top things.
Label this. What is
Those. Those. Gonna take those off of those.
Did I give you back the pen?
Just like those. And those. Read the text, and it'll tell you what to do skis in the illustration.
label it.
This looks like fun.
Matt, what are you doing? Matt.
I touched.
Dude, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. You video.
Touching our cracks.
It automatically focuses.
And then jump start to the battery.
Yeah, there's a wire that runs up.
Yeah, there's something.
State your name and phone number. My name's Greg Hansen.
My name's Greg Hansen.
Head of us pull radiator off.
Da da
da.
Holy fans, those are massive.
There we go.
Nice.
Here's the clamp. Making moves.
Play with that. Make sure you're doing it right.
If we can find someone to do it, we'll just have a custom tune.
Yeah, take it to CNG Performance.
Where's that?
I'm gonna need
Down by
ladder.
Wexford Bain, Warrendale Bain Road. It's down at the end of Warrendale Bain.
Did they have like a dyno and stuff?
Matt, where do I put
I believe that they do like all that stuff.
That's cool.
If not, I know a place that does.
Alright, here we go.
Don't you don't get off the
I know.
There's still stuff like that.
Alright, okay, we gotta get this hook latch off.
I'll latch off.
Cable.
Got it.
Don't cut it.
I'm not cutting it. I'm cutting this. There's a zip tie on it. I love this little cradle for these.
Just
Now this needs to be labeled. So I guess these are all different sizes, eh?
Well, yeah, we should label them anyway.
Come on, label guy. Come on.
One is the fan and the other is.
This is fan. What's this one?
This one's fan.
No, no,
this
no,
one's
that
fan.
The orange one's fan.
Here we have our brand spanking used Volkswagen Audi 1.8T out of a 2004 Passat. It was a few $100s from a scrapyard out of a car that had been rear-ended. The timing belt was done around 99,600 miles, and it has just over 100K now. I failed miserably to get much footage of us actually buying the 1.8T, the scrapyard itself, loading it, driving it home, all that fun stuff. But I did manage to get a couple pictures and I think a few videos of us taking it out of the truck and attempting to put it on the engine stand. So I'm going to go ahead and check for those and see if I can't get those put in. Our plan for this 1.8 is to replace the 12-valve V6 2.8 that we currently have in the B5 A4 behind us. We're going to take the 1.8, which was not very powerful stock, put a big Garrett turbo on it, run a custom tune, bigger injectors, build the head eventually, start by building the bottom end, and attempt to make about 400 horsepower at the crank in that Quattro B5 behind us.
Alright, got it off the hoist, out of the truck. There, lo and behold, 2004 1.8T out of a Passat. Got the timing belt changed 99,000 days ago. Timing belt. Spark plugs.
So yeah, this is out of a 2004 Volkswagen Passat. One 3-wheel drive.
Limited slip on all three wheels. Limited slip shift. Oh shit.
Oh, you broke my nose. So we're gonna be putting forged
Dipstick.
forged crankshaft valves, elongated dipsticks. Each one of these pistons here You can see these pistons are trash. We're gonna
Replace them with the ECS
replace
red
them.
pistons. Extreme large.
and then we're gonna put it
In the engine.
in the engine bay. As you can see, we've already stripped out the
Bags.
engine bay for our bags. This is our NOS injection system here.
Oh yeah.
Totally custom. It's gonna be a lot of work.
But in all actuality, it's gonna be a great little motor. Making like 400 horsepower.
100 horsepower at the valves.
It's got 5.
Then what is it?
Rear wheel drive. That's what quattro means in Spanish. Don't you know? Haven't you ever seen Fast and Furious where the one guy doesn't have calipers on his front wheel drive Honda Civic?
Oh no, that's the Golf.
Or the Golf?
We'll have that.
Okay.
No, maybe we should put them on the front. So here's better traction.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes a lot of NOS for tuning cool. These are NOS gear. Oh, dude, you're shooting your NOS gear.
That was from my whole thing.
NOS on every gear.
There's NOS in everything, dude.
It's just...
Take it from my NOS.